Inside America's most popular Mexican-inspired fast food chain, over 7,000 locations serve 2 billion tacos annually using a precision assembly system.
Welcome to Taco Bell. What can I get started for you?
Hi, can I please get a Doritos Locos Taco and a large Baja Blast?
Anything else today? Morning. Got your delivery here.
Okay, let me just confirm the manifest. Looks good.
Pre-cooked seasoned beef arrives frozen and is reheated to 165 degrees in water baths for consistent temperature throughout.
During peak hours, assembly teams can produce up to 200 tacos per hour using a coordinated line system. Each taco contains exactly 5 ingredients assembled in a specific order for structural integrity and flavor balance.
Center the ingredients, then fold the steamed flour tortilla in half using the standardized technique. Ensure a tight seal before placing it in the holder.
Taco Bell provides 8.2 billion sauce packets annually, making it one of the largest sauce distributors in America.
Order 42 verified. Keep the drive-thru moving.
All right, here is your Taco Bell order and your large Pepsis.
Perfect, thank you.
Chalupa shells are fried fresh throughout the day, creating a thicker, crunchier alternative to traditional taco shells.
Managers verify temperatures hourly, ensuring all hot foods stay above 165 degrees and cold ingredients remain below 40 degrees.
Time check, 5:45. These diced tomatoes need to be discarded by 6. Let's move them to the waste bin.
From ingredient prep to final bite, each taco represents Taco Bell's commitment to fast, affordable, and consistent Mexican-inspired food for millions daily.